Dear ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Have a look at this new video guide I have prepared for you to remove biglerunviploo.pro. biglerunviploo.pro. It's a pop-up titled as Best Video Streaming 2018, even though it's a 2019 year right now. However, this pop-up is absolutely dangerous if you interact with it. If you click on the Allow button, your browser will be very soon hijacked and infected with tons of malicious applications, or at least you may be redirected to many dangerous resources. So the redirection by this website is very dangerous, as you see, but the problems and more problems happen when you mistakenly click on the Allow button. Just for demonstration purpose, I've done that on purpose, and you need to be careful not to do that, not to click on this Allow button, because you may be then redirected to many malicious resources, just as this particular one. You need to go to your browser menu, select Settings, then scroll down to Advanced, look for Site Settings, and now Notifications. Find this malicious resource over here and select Remove. Okay, additionally, I am recommending that you scan your Mac with Combo Cleaner. That's the antivirus specifically tailored to fix your Mac. And you may download it from the website combocleaner.com, and then you download the program and install it and run scanning with it. The program has got two versions, the trial one and the premium one. The trial one is powered by the disk cleaner function, and the antivirus is a part of the premium version, by the way. I recommend that you click on Start Combo Scan button to initiate the scanning of your Mac and the complete analysis of your Mac device with this reliable security software. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Bye.